Welcome to another edition of Tuesday Tent Talk. I'm Brian with Fred's Tents, and if you haven't figured it out yet, we're at a Tampa Bay Bucs game. I'm here with Brandon.
How's it going?
Good, good. Brandon, tell me your last name officially because I screw it up all the time.
No problem. Brandon Algren with Elite Events and Rentals out of Tampa, Florida.
Elite Event and Rentals. Rentals. See, I screwed it up too. So, Brandon here, where are we at?
All right, so we are in Tampa Bay, the stadium. Can you zoom right over there? There's the stadium, right there. And then right over here to the right is called One Buck Place. This is where all the Bucks practice. You can see all of our tents with no tops on them. And then where we're at, we're in lot 14. This is where the magic happens, right before, 3 hours before the game starts.
And we're in front of the VIP area.
This is the VIP tailgate party.
Okay.
We have this is a 20 meter by 40 meter on 4 meter legs, P3 profile by Lowesberger. And we have fully floored, carpeted with red carpet and a bunch of furniture. And one of the coolest things we did in this job this time was we hung a 20-foot big-ass fan. And
that's the name of the company, is Big Ass Fans, so
yeah.
You can say that.
Yeah, so, and it's called the Basic 6. Our guys went in there and we built a custom brackets to hold the fan up. We put 2 of them up. And the craziest thing that happened is Hurricane Ian came through Florida 3 days ago.
And that's what we were just going to talk about. So it took 5 days to install, you said.
With flooring,
obviously you had other stuff going on as
stake
well.
lines.
Sure.
Yeah.
But then I talked to you and you said, hey, we're going to take it down.
Yeah. You decided to take it down.
The unfortunate but fortunate for this area is Ian didn't do a direct hit. It's unfortunately further south. We'll discuss that here in a second.
Right.
But so I talked to you Thursday. You said Friday morning I've got a crew coming in at 7.
Yeah.
And we're going to put it back up. But you took everything down.
We did.
You left the framework.
We did. So basically what happened was on basically the whole week, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, even Monday morning, we were getting the direct hit. Everything you see down south would have been here. We're really blessed, but we also put our prayers out to Fort Myers and Venice and all those areas down there that got hit really hard. We decided on over the weekend, I decided on Monday morning we're going to come down and take the vinyl off. And so we stripped the vinyl all off, we took all the furniture out, we took everything down. And I was going to wait till Tuesday to take the frames down. And on Tuesday, I was unsure. It was still shifting a little south of us, but you never know with storms. If you live in Florida like I have for the last 36 years, 35 years, you just never know. And I mean, listen, it is October and it's 79 degrees in October in Florida. That's unheard of. But because of that cold weather is why our area got spared because of pushing the storm over. But we took all the frames, we dropped them down with a lull. The lull is actually still sitting in the parking lot right over there. And we dropped all the frames, took everything off, carpet, everything, and we let the storm ride out. My guys are awesome. They have worked so hard. They came right back out after the storm passed on Wednesday. We were here on Friday. Yeah, so Wednesday, Thursday, we let the storm pass. We were here Friday. They put all the frames up, all the vinyl, all the sidewalls, all the carpet back on. They hung the big-ass fans up, put all the furniture in on Saturday, and here we are with over 500 people tailgating.
On top of other jobs that were going on as well.
Yeah, so. Yeah, literally, my team, shout out to Elite Events and Rentals for my team because we've gone through a lot in the last week.
Now, on top of this, yesterday you had a crew down south.
We did.
Down in Naples. Tell us a little bit of what you did down there.
So a typical situation going on. We are in hurricane season. There is unfortunately a hurricane that hits. We get called up and we got to go set up bases. So we set up about 30,000 square feet in one location and probably about 20,000 in another. So our guys have just been working nonstop to get our linemen secure, make sure they get tents over where they eat, where they sleep, where they do their laundry. And we're just doing what we can. And if you don't know the Florida schedule, this is our business season. This is when we get busy. So we were going into this week before the hurricane as one of the biggest weeks of our season, and we lost it all. And that's okay. That's just part of it.
And what he means by lost it all, a lot of it, they had to cancel the events because of the unknown. And the unfortunate part is that canceled, but there is hurricane relief work that you guys do as a rental company, which
100%.
generates the revenue as well.
It does help that, and we're blessed to have that, and we're thankful for it. We're thankful everybody's safe here, and we're just, we're excited that we're here. I mean, we're here.
We're here, absolutely. And, a lot of tailgating going on, a lot of smokers.
Yeah.
It's a great atmosphere.
You know what we're missing?
What are we missing?
We're missing Fred, because Fred can do a tailgate like no other.
So they did do a tailgate last year.
Yeah,
as
Buffalo.
I recall.
I think it was the Buffalo game. That
Bills,
came out Buffalo Bills.
yeah.
And Fred literally made a 10-course meal within 3 hours.
Absolutely, it doesn't surprise me. Hey, I appreciate the time. I appreciate seeing you
appreciate
again.
you. Always.
And obviously, we're both rooting for the Bucs. This is Brandon. I'm Brian for another edition of Tuesday Tent Talk. Have a great week.